So I'll be showing you how to turn off an alarm on your Apple Watch. So what you need to do is go to the main menu by pressing on the crown and then look for the alarm icon, this one right here. Tap on that, and here you should see a list of alarms that you have, right? So for instance, I have these two alarms, and to turn off an alarm, all I need to do is tap on this toggle button, and that's going to turn off that specific alarm. And I can do that for another alarm I might want to turn off. And that's basically how to turn off an alarm on your Apple Watch. Now, turning off an alarm does not delete the alarm. That's a whole completely different video. This is basically how to turn off an existing alarm. So if you want to turn it back on later, you can always come back to the alarm and turn it on. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.